to Wack here, and today we are going to be playing Population 1. Oh yeah, I guess I just realized you guys can't see my hands right now. Let me change that. Anyways, right here, so you can see, Population 1, there's a video. I would play that, but we're not going to. The comfort for this game is moderate. It offers in-app purchases, which I will not be buying, because I don't know what they are. No promises. Alright, it looks like we're going in then. Oh, jeez, yep, we're going in. Oh, dang, that's loud. Hold on. Let's pull up. I'd like to be able to hear the game, please. There we go. Alright, I can hear the game now. Cool, we're allowing access. Cool. Boom, epic. There we go, perfect. Alright, end user by playing Population 1, sure. Sure, not gonna read it. No one does. Sorry about that. There we go. Vertical, oh. High comfort. I want full immersion, I can't hear the game. I'm right-handed. Spoiler alert.
Population 1 training.
I can't hear the game.
Look at your hands.
It's my...
Walk to the marker.
So that
Walk
affects...
to the marker.
Ah!
Walk to the marker.
Okay. Ah!
Walk to
Alrighty
the
then.
marker.
Walk to the marker. Let's go.
Use the highlighted button to turn.
The what? Oh, this thing. The thumbstick? Yeah, it's called a thumbstick. Alright. Ooh, fancy tutorial. Sorry, I'm gonna keep forgetting about this, the sound thing. And my cursor's on the screen. Sorry, just trying to get used to this. He can...
Squeeze your grip button. Pull
Boom.
down and repeat to climb the rest of the
That's
wall.
pretty smooth. Oh, it's just like Rec Room. Oh, let's go.
Pull yourself forward and release.
Ugh. And that's like Boneworks. Yo, do some. I'll punch you.
Walk off of the edge and hold your arms out in a T shape to fly.
Boom. I can't do that with this joystick. Ah. Because forward is this, but when I push my arms out, forward is sideways. Alright, go here.
Squeeze your grip button to pick up the ammo. Pick up the
Ooh, I
pistol.
like that. It's a pistol.
Slide the magazine
So it looks
into the
like
gun.
there are stars?
Pull the glowing handle. Shoot the target.
Wow. Alright, let's go. Can we stabilize it? Oh, dang. Direct.
Pick up the UMP and ammo.
What's a UMP?
Slide the magazine into the gun. Pull the glowing handle.
Boom, I'm
Shoot
a
the
genius. Alright, let's go. I don't like this one. Oh, that's nice. Bah.
Push the button in to reload early.
Oh. Boom.
Slide the magazine in to pull the glowing
Oh,
handle.
I get it.
Destroy all the targets.
Ah.
Slide the magazine into the gun.
Ah, whoa, wait, where am I? Ooh, inventory. Boom. Haha, I beat the system. Alright, let's go. I beat the system. Wait, is that a banana? Wait, hold on, wait, that's a banana. I haven't seen anything on this game.
Pull the glowing. Destroy all the targets.
You mean the banana?
Pick up the banana. Peel all 4 sides.
I still see shoot the targets though. Alright, wait. Oh, wait, so wait, you can peel the banana?
Peel
Best-
all 4 sides. Bring
best
the
game
banana
on
to your
VR.
hand. Bananas give
Best
you-
game on VR.
Pick up the soda.
Oh, soda
Pull the
can?
glowing tab.
Bah.
Bring the soda to your head. Sodas give you health over time. Pick up the shield battery.
Cool.
Batteries charge your shield,
69,
giving you
73,
extra
75.
protection.
Cool.
Pick up the grenade.
The
Pull
grenade.
the trigger to launch the grenade.
Oh, I thought you were gonna have to like.
Go to Your down teammate.
My down teammate. Hello, my
Open
friend.
your inventory by holding the button.
Which one? I'm
Point
not.
at the cross icon and release to equip it. Rub together to charge.
Oh, wait. Are we gonna have to? Oh yeah, man. No, alright. Yeah. You gotta.
Rub together to charge.
Come on. Let's go. We can do this. You're not going away on me, man. I got you.
Touch your teammate with
Clear.
equips to revive them.
Clear.
Open your inventory by holding the point at the pistol and release to equip it. Walk to the marker. Quick swap to stash your gun by tapping the button.
Which one?
Stick your hand inside the wall until it turns blue. Squeeze your grip button. Pull down and grip with your other hand.
What?
Repeat to climb the rest of the wall.
Oh, okay. Why are they telling me
Pull
this again?
yourself forward and release.
We can. Oh, okay.
Pick up the building resources.
Oh wait, you can build in this game? Yoink.
Hold down the trigger. Release the trigger to build a tile.
Dang, this is like some. Oh, I see what we. Depends. Can you climb them?
Build
Boom.
cover to reach the marker.
Fortnite Epic Gamer coming in, guys. Boom. Oh, frick! Aha.
Build cover to reach the
You can
marker
climb it.
without
You can
being-
climb it. Let's go. You can climb it. Alright. We're gonna do this. Alright.
Build cover to reach the marker without being hit.
I don't know what's up with my joystick. Maybe I have controller drift again. I'll take it away if I do.
Build cover to reach the marker without being hit.
I have another solution for that game, if you don't mind. It's called dying.
Build cover to reach the marker without
No
being
thanks.
hit.
Never mind. Can't kill me. Ah. Boom. Boom. Ah.
Build cover
Ah.
to reach the marker without being hit.
Alright, so let's build up to. Oh, okay. You're
Build
gonna make.
cover to reach
Wait, can
the
you build
marker
wire?
without being hit.
Oh, yeah, that's awesome. Alright. So, okay, so that takes it away. Ah.
Build cover to reach the marker without
Oh,
being hit.
there's a thing. And we're here.
Build tiles across the gap.
Boom! I'm a genius. Boom! We did it, I think.
Congratulations. Welcome
We did it.
to Population 1. Open the battle menu.
Battle menu. What is that? This one?
Press
Up.
exit to lobby.
Exit lobby. Yeah. Cool. Got it. Alright, I got turned around somehow, so I don't know if you guys could hear me during that. Oh, sorry, it says population 1 at the top. I can't fix that. I don't think. Ah. Spooky pumpkins and fog update. Jack-o'-lanterns are placed throughout population 1 map. Can you count how many there are? Graveyard is now spooky. What's a loadout? That's cool. I like your shirt. I hate your glasses, though. Wait, these two are exactly the same, just this one's wearing different pants. I'm so confused. Weapons. Boom. Oh, I see. So the more, I like that, the more you level up, the cooler your guns look? I think, right? Yeah. Can you test them out here? No, I don't have any ammo. Which ones have the cool? Ooh, I like this gun. Like a hunting rifle. Yes. Yes. Sorry, just I like weapon skins in game, and these are really cool. Cause it's in VR now. Let's do one more gun. You. Kinda sucks. Alright, I like this gun. That's awesome. Alright, cool. Characters. You gotta unlock them. Epic. Home. Oh, okay, so there's like a upgrading system. And then I'm assuming the final one is that golden one. Oh, and then you can unlock different variations for the characters? See, yeah, that's cool. I'd want to play that person. That's even cooler. No. That's awesome. Yes. Kinda, no. But this, yes. Is it a plane? I hear plane. Keywords, stats, friends, cool, epic, empty. Alright, let's hit play, I guess. Play one match. That sounds like a good challenge for us. Alright, I'm ready. Oh, that was surprisingly quick for a game. Alright, I will take that. This stuff is pretty epic, though. Oh, wait, I just... wait. Wait, no, fine. It's placing me, I guess. Alright, we got that. We got boom, boom, boom. Oh, and we're going in. Hopefully we can meet some people here. Maybe there's solos called Population 1. But if it's a squad of 3, then it'd be Population 3. Ah!
Gunshots.
Jake, mine took this to my dad's and he doesn't know. Cause set up with mine
Ah.
now.
That was clearly a mistake. Oh, map. It's a map. Was that a gun?
I forgot how to build. How do you build again?
I think
Just
it's
shoot.
yeah. How do you? Can somebody tell us? Oh, no, it's just like you put your stuff away.
The trigger.
It's you put your
Yeah.
stuff away and you use your trigger.
Alright.
I'm down with something, but I'm building a wall.
Yo, do you need medical assistance?
I'm climbing.
Yo, wait. Can you build while you climb?
Come here, man. You need medical
No.
assistance.
I'm like getting
Hey,
on top
Ken.
of stuff.
Hey, Ken.
Clear.
You can always send Barkley with me.
Alright, who's on my team?
Yeah,
Alright.
I love Barkley.
Alright, who's on my team?
Yeah, that would be
Yeah.
great.
Sutart? Alan?
So do I, usually.
Where are we dropping?
Wait, my pod.
Dude,
where
I
are we
love
dropping?
dogs.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Alright,
Yeah.
where are we? It's my first time playing this.
Where are we dropping?
Let's go to the plains, I think. Yeah, that's near us.
Alright.
Let's go to the
I'm dropping now.
You dropping now? I'm going. Ah!
Yep.
Oh, wait, how do you glide? Oh, wait, no, I got it, don't worry.
Arms out.
Some guy landed over here too. I'll be fine. Alright. You guys new to this game too? Or have you been playing it?
I've been playing for about a day now, so
Ah, nice.
it's very fast to catch on. You'll be alright.
Alright. Yeah, I'm recording a YouTube video for this now.
Ooh. That's what I'm talking about. Purple CX4.
I'm sure that'll make sense to me in a few days.
Yeah, it'll make sense.
Do we have a... should we go to our other teammates? He's kind of far behind, unless that's you. Is your name Ethan?
No, there's a
Yeah.
purple MP5 over here.
Oh, okay.
That's a weapon you want. That's a weapon you want.
6 building material. Cool. Yeah, I'm playing on PC, but I can't hear like gunshots and stuff from like my headset. Is that normal?
No. You should be able to hear the gunshots that are over there.
No, I hear that coming from my speaker on my PC.
Ooh, that's tough.
Yeah,
Alright, let me
it's
give you some
literally
ammo.
up
Let me give you
time.
some ammo for that.
Oh, okay.
You got the SMG, I think. So
Yeah. Ooh, cool.
yeah, that's yours. There's a shotgun over there.
No,
I have a
Talia, the
shotgun.
results are very negative.
What's up?
I'm gonna head over to our other teammate.
Alright, I'm gonna come with.
What is that smoke in the sky over there? Whoop.
That is a supply drop. Usually gold weapons.
Alright, I'll head over there. That sounds good.
Can you pin it? Pin is the button right above the button that you press to pull out your gun.
Pin. Oh, here we go. Whoops. Wait. Wrong.
I'll bet.
There we go. I built.
Okay, so that might not be loot. That might not be looted, if I'm being real.
Oh, I love the gliding in this game. Oh.
Yeah, me too.
What are the other options like that aren't fully immersed?
Vignetta, like the black thing that goes around your eyes when you turn and jump and stuff.
Oh yeah.
And I don't know the lowest. I don't know the lowest one though.
Yeah, that sounds annoying.
Yeah. I've always been good with VR, so I don't need that stuff.
Yeah.
I feel bad for the people who
Ooh.
do though. Like I hate the Vignetta.
Backpack. I'll grab shield. Oh, is that a banana?
Everyone grab at least a shield, you know.
I got a banana and a frag grenade.
Ooh, if no one's taking that DT11, I'll take it.
Yeah, you can take it. I don't know what it is. How do I...
Shotgun, double barrel.
Oh.
Here, come get this.
This
Oh, you
one.
full? Hey, get that.
Oh yeah, yeah. I need.
Get that shit.
Oh, I have shotgun.
I'll take this.
Oh,
right
sorry.
here.
How do I drop
you're
ammo?
good. I think I have
Do you
enough.
need it?
You go to hit guns, go to your backpack, and then just click trigger on the ammo that you need to drop.
So my gun and then it trigger. Oh, whoops! I dropped the gun.
Nope.
All right. Are we in the circle or the square?
We are right now, but I'm figuring that soon it's not going to be that way.
Okay.
So we might as well start rotating. I'm going to check this building right here.
I'm gonna climb on top of it.
Alright, I'm at 100. I'm going to this red building too.
60, 84. Alright, I'm flying in.
There is some SMG ammo over here, which I think you have.
Yep. So I don't need any.
Yeah.
Just take that shield though.
Shield down here.
No. It's not.
Shield right here.
Oh.
Okay,
someone-
gunshots.
I can hear gunshots now. Kind of.
Okay, I see them. They're right there. Okay, they're shooting at me now.
I opened a soda can. Oh, ha! Did they just shoot my gun out of my hand? My gun back?
Alright, I don't know how to handle this. So let's just wait, because we have the circle.
Yeah, I think they shot the gun out of my hand.
Wait, what's the problem?
Jeez. They shot the gun out of my hand.
Okay, right here.
Yeah. I see him. Should I shoot him?
Okay, I got it for 215s. 215s.
Oh wait, is he behind those haystacks over there, or whatever those are?
One of them went into the barn. The other one might be behind some haystacks. I don't know.
Alright. There's one in the watchtower to the at the top of it. Yep, that's a person.
Oh.
I'm moving around the right side over here.
Okay, one of them is super duper low, but so am I.
Oh crap. There's some shield over here if you want to rotate to the right.
Alright. Okay, I've hit a few of them a few times, but I don't think I've cracked any of them yet below.
Okay, I got a cool looking shotgun.
What color is it?
Purple.
Ooh.
It's a double barrel.
Uh-oh. Okay, that's bad.
You good?
I see them, they're up there.
Watch out! Ah,
Dropped one. There's one right here.
I know, I got eyes on him. Yeah, he went down. He's behind that haystack back there. That's a frag. Oh crap, my gun. Frag grenade, go.
Oh, there's one. There's still one. There's still one.
Jeez, he's in that little outhouse back there, the shed.
Crap, crap, crap. I need cover. I need cover.
It's probably not the best place to go for that.
Alright, I have a purple shotty.
I also do. I'm gonna sneak behind him. I see him. Yep, he's still there. Is
Oh, crap. I'm dead.
he dead?
Ah,
He's
you
dead.
got this. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Oh crap! Wait, he's still alive. Where are you?
Watch the storm. Watch the storm. Watch the storm. Watch the storm.
How do I do that thingy? Boom boom thingy.
He's got it. He's got it. Captain Wacky.
Oh, he's got it. Oh, yeah, I got it. Oh, crap. Is there a limited amount of time that we have to get you?
Nah, no, no. I can stay alive as long as I need.
Great. Alright.
I think I haven't run into that yet, but I don't think so. All right, the storm's coming in on you. I'll just walk with you. Get inside the safe. Get inside the safe right here.
No, yeah, I know I will.
Yes.
In a second, because.
Slow circular motions.
Where are you? Get over here.
I'm right here.
Bang. Did I do it? Did it work?
Yeah, I'm alive. I'm alive.
Alright, so you don't have any weapons though? Crap, he's above us!
I don't have any weapons, but I'm going for one right now.
Alright, he's above us, so we got a little bit of a spray and pray. Get him, man with the shotgun. Yeah, let's go. Oh, Chow, I think his friend's coming. I'm going to check.
He's over there. He's over there.
Alright, don't worry about me for now. Good. Somebody's shooting. I heard it. Oh, our teammate's dead. Watch out, he's trying to shoot with the shotgun from 50 miles away. Dangerous situation.
I'm dead.
Good
Gosh.
game.
Dang it. Good game.
That was crazy.
Yeah.
Ooh, XP. Cool. Next.
Want to friend up?
Yeah, how do you do that?
I'll friend you.
That's
And then
fine.
once you get back into the next loading thing.
Boom. I did it.
All right. Cool.
I friended the other guy too. Alright, so hit exit match. Take that as a yes. Cool. Alright, that was pretty fun. Gonna keep playing, but I give this game currently a 8.5 out of 10, which is pretty awesome. Boom, new person. Let's go. Yeah, I'll join. Does that mean you're here?
You there?
Yeah.
Yes. We're together. All right.
Cool. I am girl skin now. Alright. So are we ready? Yep. There we go. Pick up 100 shield points. Cool. So are there any like duos or squads in this game? Oh, okay. I guess it kind of cuts out there. Hey, Crash? No, I'm here. Cool, I'm here.
Yo, what was that you were saying?
Are there any like duos or squads in this game, or is it just the 3-person? Can I finish what I'm trying to say?
I haven't seen that yet, so.
Oh, this guy has one of the. Hey, other guy, do you speak?
Yep.
What's up?
All right, he speaks. All right.
I'm going
Let's
over
go.
I'm
Right in
going
that
at
way?
the end.
Alright. Okay. Come with
where's
me.
The, I'll drop when you guys drop.
Okay.
I can't see the
I'm
map.
literally dropping right there.
On the big dome
Oh
thing
yeah,
over
I
there.
see it.
Whoa, those guys just flew way ahead. That's must be your bug.
Yeah.
Okay, on the dome thing, sure.
Do you have enough fuel to make it there?
Oh, the battle zone didn't even shrink below it too.
I got 10 fuel left. How about you guys?
13.
What's up?
All right, I'm dropping down.
11.
This is close. This is as close as I'm gonna get. All right, drop it now.
Me too.
Don't forget arms out.
Yep.
There we
flying.
go.
Oh, wait. Can I fly into the window? Oh, that would have been cool.
Yeah, you can fly through windows.
Oh, yeah. All right.
There's someone on the behind helipad. Someone behind helipad.
Oh, that was awesome. All right, broke through a window.
Yes.
I got gun, material.
You're a star.
backpack,
Purple AP.
pistol.
Purple AKM. That's what I'm talking about.
I see anybody near us. You guys?
Nope.
I saw someone on that side of helipad.
Oh, okay. Banana, ammo, or gun. Better gun.
They
than
might be
mine.
coming this. We should be good. We don't have to worry about that.
Okay. What ammo is this gun? It's... Oh, how do I check
What is
ammo
it?
has? It is.
Wait,
a
what is it? What's the gun?
AKM.
It's
Oh,
probably
that's
the
assault rifle.
rifle,
Oh.
yeah.
So that's orange ammo, or
Yes, I believe it's
Do
orange. Yeah.
either of you want a purple pistol?
I'm good.
I'll take one.
It's right there.
Alright, I'll go ahead and grab that.
I'm gonna try and sneak a find on wherever this guy went over here.
Shotgun. Ooh, 3-star AK. Okay.
Where's that pistol? Is it in this small building
It's
right here?
it was in that building.
Alright, I'll go
over there.
look for it. Oh, yep, got it. Thank you. Ooh, it's a nice looking pistol.
So we're still in the zone. That's good. Just keep looting. Get like as much shield as you can.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a challenge right now. I gotta get 100 shield. So that works out for me.
How many wins have you guys gotten so far?
I've only gotten
I-
one because I started yesterday.
I just got
okay.
the game, so it's gonna be a big fat 0.
All good, all good. You get used to the firing. It takes some time to get used to how it's a bit odd to aim sometimes.
Purple shotgun.
Just
That's
don't-
weird. Anybody want that?
Oh shit.
Anybody want that? I can't.
I'm good.
take it.
There's footsteps outside me. Yep.
Alright, I'm taking the shotgun. Alright, coming down to you.
There's people
Yeah,
right
yeah,
out
I
here.
know. I'm coming.
Oh shit.
I see him, I see
I'm
him.
coming too.
I'm going in.
I think there's more than one.
If you see that window to your left, oh, they're coming up the stairs. They're coming up the stairs.
I'm gonna
Right
try to
here,
help.
Right here. Oh crap! There's a guy inside. There's a guy inside. I can't hit the right button.
Shit. Get back, get back.
There's
Come to
3
me
of
if you
them.
have to.
Ah,
Oh, there's 3 of them.
dang it.
Watch
I
Yo,
out.
just
they're
shot
right
at your
inside this
ghost.
building.
We got a guy here. I'm climbing on top of the building.
Okay, there's 3 of them in there. So
I would be very, very
Take that.
careful.
You
if I were
want-
you. Can you smash?
Come to me, guys. I can revive you.
Oh, okay. Can you
I'm on the way.
glide? Oh, you can glide while you're dead. Alright, I'm coming. I'll tell you if they're coming.
No, you
towards
can't glide.
Yeah, you can. I just
You
did that.
can, but it's kind of a like
Slower.
not fast. Or, yeah.
My
drop
reload is not
fast and-
working.
They went out the right door and are headed right towards you.
I think I took one down.
You have advantage, kind of, from the storm.
What the hell? I totally
Watch
killed
out,
him.
watch out,
Oh, to the right.
Oh, he was almost dead.
Good game.
I almost had him.
Good game.
GG.
Can you
They're
clap?
up-
Is that guy just
Ah.
clapping? That's cool.
I should have retreated.
Yeah.
Should have thrown a grenade. Alright, see you guys.
See ya. So, my Oculus Link just decided, hey, I don't want to work anymore. So let's see if this works. Hey, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, my Oculus Link just broke.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm here now. But
Oh, okay, okay.
alright. Let's try this again. I'm gonna do 2 more rounds. And then. Oh, you're kidding me! Can you still hear me? Cut out again. Dang it. That might be a problem. It keeps cutting out. Oh. Alright.
I heard this is a problem, and then
You wanna work?
went out.
Alright, let's try this again. You wanna work? No, I guess it doesn't. Alright guys, I guess it's gonna be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah. If any of you have VR headset, you want to get this game, I'd be happy to play with you. And yes, I would recommend this game. It is amazing for VR. The graphics are pretty good, even on the PC. And yeah, alright. Recommend getting this game. And hope you guys enjoyed. Alright. I will see you guys later.